Hello and welcome to this new video on how you can change your password on Spotify. If you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. Firstly, you need to open your web browser, and in the search bar of the web browser, just click on the search bar and type Spotify. And when you have typed it successfully, you just have to press enter in your keyboard. So currently Spotify doesn't provide any change your password features for you, so you just have to do the way that I am currently showing to you. So you just have to open the Spotify and click on it, and on the top right corner there is a sign. You just have to click on it and log out from there. After that, again in the top right corner there is login option, so you just have to enter your email and your password. So as you already know that there isn't any change your password features on the Spotify, so you just have to click on the forget password in order to change your password. So just click on the forget password option. After that, you need to enter your username. When you have successfully entered your username, there will be a send link option. You just have to click on the send link option. Now they have successfully sent an email to me, so I'll just go to the back to login option. Now I'll open my Gmail account and see if Spotify have sent anything. So as you can see, Spotify have already sent me the mail. I'll just click on the reset password, and as you can see, now I can enter my new password and confirm my new password as well. And when I have done both the things, I'll just click on the change password option and the password will be changed successfully. As you can see, now my password has been updated and changed successfully. So this is how you can change your password in the Spotify app. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up. Thank you.